Hello, good morning my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare vegetable spring roll. So guys can see the item. This sliced cabbage, this onion, this carrot, this garlic and Maggi season. So I will prepare the sauce before I show you the dose of spring roll. So let's go back to fire. I've already put the pan on the fire and oil. The oil on the fire. The only thing you do, you put your onion. You want to use butter, you can use butter. Put everything inside. Onion, cabbage, carrot. Put all of them inside. You just shallow fry them. You cannot fry them as if you are fry plantain or chips. Now put Maggi season. Then you add the garlic. And you mix them together. When you mix them together, don't allow it to too overdone. Then you add your curry powder later. And mix them together. After you put them, just leave it like 1 second, then you off the eye. So don't allow the vegetable to too overdone. And now off the light. So after off the light, I'll keep it to cool. And after keeping it to cool, I will show you how I make the dough. I'll now keep it one side now to cool. So guys can see this flour. This is 500 grams of flour. So before you mix it, you add salt. Add salt. And see the salt. Then you add sugar. You add sugar. You can add like 3 spoons of sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. After you put and mix them together. Now add water. If you like, you put sugar. So need to add sugar there. I add sugar on my own. I see the way I mix it. Don't mix it too thick. Don't mix it too thick, too watery. See how you do. Do not take too thick, do not too watery. Then you have your brush that you use. So guys can see the pan on the fire. If you put pan on the fire, you can use butter to brush it. I've already put butter to brush it. If you don't have butter, you can use vegetable oil small to brush it. So guys, if you put the fire, don't put the fire too high. You can see the low fire. Then if you put the fire too high, the thing will get burn. So you put the low fire, then you put your brush. You fetch your dough and brush it. After you do it, you leave it for some time before you fold it. So guys can see how it's done. After you do like this, before you remove it for the pan, don't allow it to over too hot or to the fire to over too high. If not, the thing will got burn. So I'll leave it like small time now. I'll remove it. You want to remove it, you use your hand. Can see how the thing will remove it. Use your two hands to remove it gentle. Can see how I remove it, put for plate. This is how you do all of them, many as you want, before you begin fold it. So guys can see how I do the dough. Even samosa is the same pattern, and it's like if you want to use cutter for samosa or spring roll like meat pie, you have cutter also. You can buy the cutter and use it. If you don't want to use this pattern that I'm using, because this pattern is very hard, not many people know how to do it. If you don't know how to use this pattern, you can buy the cutter and use cutter. Then that you mix the dough thick like meat pie before you use cutter to cut it, so that before you fold, you put your vegetable and fold it. So I'll put the vegetable and fold it now. I'll show you. So guys can see the way I put the vegetable inside. You put the vegetable as you are rolling sausage roll. That is how you fold it. You now carry this thing, carry this side, cover it like this. Then you begin fold it like this. You can see, you begin fold it like this. You can see. After you fold it like that, you use the flour that you mix, put to the egg, so that the thing will go. Then you fold it like this. After you do this, you now fold it. You use flour again to rub it like here, like this. Then you fold this one like this, like this. Then this edge again, you rub your flour. Then you fold it back like this. It's a very hard snack, but it's sweet. If you can get it all like this, it's very sweet. After you rub it like this, you can see now. You can see this one now. You can see how I do it. You can see how you do. Then you keep it. You roll all of them like this before you fry it. You can roll 100, 50, 30, 10, 5, any quantity, any number you want. This is how you fold them before you fry it. So if I fry it, if I want to fry it, I'll show you guys. So guys can see the way I fold it. Can see how the fold be. So I'll fry it now. This is how you be. Then fry it with the hot oil. Allow the oil to hot before you fry it. So it's a very sweet snack, but it's hard to do it. So it's not easy at all. So after you do, you can do plenty as you want. You can do any number you want. I just do a little quantity to show you guys how I do my spring roll. Spring roll. Samosa. How I do my samosa. It's not spring roll, it's samosa. Samosa and this spring roll. You can do samosa like this, but the folding is different, because samosa folding is triangle, while this one is long one, just straight. So this is spring roll. The samosa is triangle, so it's the same pattern, but the fold is not the same. It's different fold. So this is spring roll. It's not samosa. It's spring roll. So I'll fry it now. So guys can see the way I fry it. This is how you fry all of them, any number that you make. So again, you know, the sauce, some put mice meat. Even the samosa, some use mice meat, some use only vegetable. It depends how you want it. So the one I didn't put mice meat. I use only vegetable. And if you are using it for samosa, you can use mice meat inside your vegetable. So use only mice meat, and I didn't put vegetable as I did. But me, I prefer to put vegetable than mice meat. That's how I do my own. It's another pattern with that. If you want to use your mice meat to do it, you can use your mice meat and do it. It's the same. But the food, samosa and spring roll, is different. Samosa is triangle, while spring roll is straight. So that is all for spring roll. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. And again, some use it for occasion. When you have occasion like tea break and all those party, you can do it. But it's hard and it's very sweet. So you can use it for your party, use it for birthday. So see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.